Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a few work from home ideas that you can absolutely start for very cheap, if not free. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video and what are some work from home ideas. So, the very first one is selling courses. And you can sell courses on pretty much anything. I'm sure you've seen some courses out there that so many people sell, but that can be something that you know about. You don't have to sell a course that's, trying to scam people on selling something that you don't know about. Maybe you know something about filming, taking nice photos. It can be so many different things, repairing cars. Surfing, it can be so many different things. If you know something, maybe it's making paper cranes, I don't care what it is, there is something that you know something about that most people don't know about. So you can absolutely sell courses. This is something that you can do. You can do this on Udemy. Udemy is something that's very good if you don't have an audience, because they can sell something because they have the audience and they'll promote your stuff no matter what, because they'll make some money off it. Now they will promote your stuff by making discounts and you don't have any control over that, but it's a very good way to make money. There are a ton of people that became millionaires on teaching people. Like, I know one person that became a millionaire just by teaching people how to code. So if you know something very well, then you can absolutely teach it. The next one is selling print on demand. Now, selling print on demand is usually with Shopify. Shopify is a great place where it's very known for, drop shipping. But if you do print on demand, it's something very good because you can actually create some t-shirts, mugs. There's a million different things that you can print your designs on. And you don't even have to make the design. You can go on some freelance websites and actually make them design it. Then you just have to send it over there to someone that knows how to make it. And there are a ton of ways, there are a million different things that you can actually do your research and actually find who is going to print your things. But it's very good because you can actually implement it right with Shopify. And then when people order it, it gets automatically ordered and you don't have to do anything. The only thing that you do have to do is drive traffic. So if you want to drive traffic, you can, ask for influencers, then you can learn how to run ads, or you can just make YouTube videos, for example, and help people on something, make a t-shirt that's relevant, and then sell them that t-shirt. So it can be so many different ways, but if you're just starting out, I suggest influencers. Make a t-shirt that's very specific, or I'm saying t-shirts, but it can be mugs, it can be anything, sweatshirts, I don't care. But make it relevant and make it niche specific. If you don't go into a niche and you just make a t-shirt that you think everyone will want, then nobody will buy it, because actually when you're making something for everyone, then nobody is actually going to buy it. So make sure that you do it for some specific niche. Maybe it's mums, maybe it's mums that have cats, I don't care what it is. It can go very specific because it's only one design, and then you can make another t-shirt for somebody else, but make it very specific. Maybe have something in mind, have your friend that you know very well and make a t-shirt for him and then advertise it online. And then chances are people will like it because it's very specific. I've had ads on my Facebook on t-shirts from a specific date, people that were born on a specific date from a specific country that were living in somewhere in another country. So it's 3 different very specific things, and you can absolutely make some money that way because people are really going to like the fact that it's a t-shirt that's really for them. So the next one is affiliate marketing, and this is something I talk about a lot on this channel. So what you do with affiliate marketing, the best way is to actually start a YouTube channel. YouTube is something that's very, very good. You find a niche that you actually enjoy, that you're comfortable talking about no matter what, and then just teach people something that you know. So it's just like selling courses, except you do that for 100% free, and you're putting out content all the time. Now, I make content every single day. If you're just starting out, you could do like 3 times a day, but that's the bare minimum in my opinion. So you just have to do that all the time, and that will grow your audience. Now, when you start growing your audience, you're going to have to make a capture page. So if you want to know how to make a capture page, there's a link in the description which you can click on and actually do that. And you can absolutely get it for free if you know what you're doing. So I have a video that comes right after that. So if you click on that link, then you'll end up on that video that will explain what you need to know. So when you create a capture page, that will enable you to collect people's emails. And as soon as you collect people's emails, then you can send them to affiliate links. And that is the best way to do it, because one, you have their emails, so you can like send them more emails to like promote your videos, you can promote your blog posts, you can promote all sorts of things, but especially you can promote affiliate products. And that is very, very important, because if you don't have a capture page and if you don't have a sales funnel, which is like the same software that you use, then like you don't really have a business. So that is a very important thing. And I'm not talking about just affiliate marketing. If you're doing anything online, then you need a sales funnel. So just click on that link. That will help you quite a bit. But that is in a nutshell what you need to know. I have a ton of other videos about affiliate marketing, so you can absolutely check these out. So make sure that you do that. But this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed, that it gave you inspiration, that it gave you some ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.